Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial in which we will discuss on account groups in Mark ERP. The use of account groups are basically for to create, modify and to delete the account groups. Account groups represent the groups like expenses, bank details, cash details, etc. Account groups also displays the total number of account groups along with their subgroups which are already created in Mark ERP software. So let's implement this in Mark software. For this, we will come to Master's menu, then to account groups. So in drop down, some options are showing you like new group, modify, delete and budget. And in this tutorial, we will discuss on new group, modify and delete. And to understand the process of budget, you can watch our tutorial Budget Management in Mark ERP. So firstly, press enter on new group field. So this predefined group list will be opened in front of you, which are not required to be created because these groups are already predefined in the software. So let's know its use. Like we create any ledger to whom we sell, means our customers. So if we create a ledger of any of our customer from their name, so we will define this ledger under sundry debtors group. Means we create our customers ledgers under the group of sundry debtors. Next you can see that sundry debtors field staff. Means like you have a marketing representative and if you get a commission from them, so you will create their ledger under the group of sundry debtors field staff. Like the same way you will see sundry creditors, means to whom you are purchasing the material. You will define their ledger under sundry creditors group. And there are some expenses which you need to pay. So we will define this in sundry creditors expenses payable. Here you have one head under the field staff to whom we pay the commission. So we will create their ledger under sundry creditors field staff. Means to whom you get or take the commission. You will create their ledger under the group of sundry debtors, field staff, and to whom you pay the commission. You will mention those ledger under the group of sundry creditors, field staff. Then next is sundry creditors, manufacturer's account. Means your manufacturing unit to whom you pay the payment. You will create their ledger under the sundry manufacturer's account group. Then next is sundry creditors, supplier. Means your supplier. If you are creating the ledger of your suppliers, so you will define their ledger under the group of sundry creditors, supplier. Apart from this, you have expenses heads as well. So you will create them under the group of expenditure account. Or like the same as we also have direct and indirect expenses. Direct expenses means the expenses which directly affects our manufacturing or trading expenses. These kinds of expenses comes under direct expenses. But if you are spending amount on admin like refreshment expenses, office maintenance, those ledger comes under indirect expenses. Similarly, we have direct and indirect income as well. So in this way, this is your predefined groups, but except this, if you want to create subgroups or new groups, means you want to create any new or subgroup under account group, so you can create it. For this, you will press enter on those predefined group under which you want to create subgroup. Suppose this is your bank account group under which you want to add a new group, means subgroup. Like under this bank account group, you want to create any particular bank name. So simply you will enter on bank account field. So this new account groups window will appear in front of you where you will fill these fields accordingly. Suppose as you are seeing, first field is group code. Means if you want to mention any code under this field, so that number you will mention here. Like we are giving 001, then press enter. Then is new group field. Here you will mention that name which you want to create. Like we are giving ICICI Banks, then is under group. And you will see software had picked this field automatically because we are creating this new group under the bank account groups. Now we will press enter. Then is prohibited. Here you will set yes or no accordingly. Means you want to hide this new group or subgroup from your user. So you can set this field as yes, else no. Then simply press enter and then enter on accept. So here you can see that ICICI Bank subgroup has been created. Come on the main window by pressing escape key. Then again from the master's menu comes to account groups and then enter on modify. So again the same account groups window will be open in front of you, and from here enter on that group or subgroup which you want to modify. Suppose we will enter on that new subgroup of bank account which we had just created. So this type of modify account groups window will get appear in front of you, from where you can modify any of your account group. Like if you want to change code number or account group name, or in this prohibited field you want to do no or yes. So you can set this accordingly. And in the same way you can delete any group or new group. For this you will come on master's menu, then to account groups, then enter on delete group. So delete account group window will be open and you will press enter on those account group or subgroup which you want to delete. Like for now we want to delete this ICICI Bank subgroup, so we will enter on ICICI Bank. Here software is asking you, are you sure? No or yes. So here we will enter on yes because we want to delete this. So now you can see that ICICI account group has been deleted. So friends, today in this tutorial we have learned how we can use account groups option in Mark ERP. Thanks for watching.